So I guess that the opportunity here is we can capture the screen, we can capture the audio, we can capture the video. And you might like to do these things all at once, or you might like to do these things separately. And it's one of those things that, depending on the content of your video, you may want to do that separately, or you may want to do it at the same time. Often, if I'm looking at the screen that I'm sharing, I won't be looking at the camera so much. So, maybe I record the screen share portion and my microphone, and maybe I come back in and record a little bit of me speaking directly to the camera as a bit of context for those actions. But any combination of these can work. So we'll talk about it a little bit later too, but there is actually a narration option in here in Camtasia when we come to edit. So if you find that operating the thing on the screen is sort of, as much as you can handle in that moment, you can certainly do that. You can write a script or ad lib. And actually create the narration, and you can actually just edit these things together, so you can make sure that they're sort of timed up nicely.